application that is called Jpats. Okay, this application is developed on-house by Pratt. It's on-house Pratt. Then it was upgraded, and Peter and Tom, someone else of DVA, work on it to put it in Windows 7. Yeah. So they modified the application, everything. And at a certain point, I get involved in that project. Okay. So right now we are moving now to Windows 10. And every 6 months, we need to do a report. So we have already, this is also in the servers, in the PCs, okay, the Jpats PCs. They are currently on process to be refreshed because they are Windows 7. So we are moving to Windows 10. So I already have one Windows 10 that is set up correctly, but we are having issues with the other two, so we are working on, okay, on doing the project. So as you see, Jpads. So we have, put it here. I have my copy here, but there is a copy also on the server. So we're gonna go to each PC after. There are no servers, there are PCs. It's a desktop application, okay? So right now, for example, every 6 months, as I say, you don't do it every week, okay? It's something you're gonna do twice a year.
Okay.
That's what it's become so manual intervention and so difficult because you don't do it all the time. So you forget. So you don't take a good note the time you have to do the report again. You kind of forget like, oh, I did this. Oh, I did that, whatever. And the Windows 7 machine doesn't have enough space. So what happened is we always run out of space. So you reboot, it's horrible to work with that machine. So we have to always check the space on the database to be able to load the imports of the data and all of that, okay? So, but everything has been documented and Peter document every single step. It's just since you have to do different things, you have to go to the check in the SQL, you have to run this script, you have to run this script, you have to go to this server. It's kind of everything over the place. But we were trying to do like a now one only document with everything, okay? That's what we should trying to do now during this training. So right now what I have to do is this report. So the next report is for, you see DXC needs to give it to Pratt the 19th, okay? So I am 1 month ahead, okay? But since it takes me time to do it and I have to do the import and everything, the import is already done. So you see, I receive an email. Yeah, I receive an email from Textro telling me, you see, we already export everything. Okay, we already upload everything. I already upload the folder, so you can do the EMAS report. Okay, so I need to grab it since it's in DTRAN. This part is going to be better explained by Peter. So, but you have only, I think, 3 days or 4 days to retrieve the information. You don't have a lot of time to retrieve the information. Otherwise, it's automatically deleted. So because of that, I was checking on that today. So what I did is these are my notes. So I need to have the ITAR IDM, which you should have, right?
Yes, I have.
I go to the home Orca ITAR IDM. I check the files. Okay. So I'm in this part right now. Okay. So I'm checking here. I was checking that. So I say, okay, so I have JPAD stem to testrum, JPAD stems from testrum. Okay. So this is the folders that are on the DTRAM, right? That is not SFT. SFTP, okay? It's not in the SFTP server, okay? He sent it by DTRAN for the SCTP server. So the reason he want me to go here, it's because sometimes There is another person who takes care of retrieving the files and put it here. His name is Mark LeBlanc, which is
Oh, yeah.
from Pratt.
He is
Okay,
also for DTran.
exactly. He also for DTran. So sometimes when the client of Pratt send information, he picks it up and put it to us here. Okay. So that's why Peter told me check if there is no something already there that he put, okay, before to even move the files, because it's possible that he was already pick it up and put it there.
Mm-hmm.
I have to go. So everything is January, May 3rd on 2021. So it doesn't look like a CD, June 17, May. Now this looks very old because we need to move them there. Oh, it's just that. Home, J. Ah, okay, that's a folder. Is that a folder?
Yeah.
Jpats, I thought. So why when I go there, it doesn't tell me? To CD to this folder, it doesn't tell me anything.
Oh no, you are already in the directory now.
Ah, I go in the directory. So yeah, I'm okay. Okay, that's why. Okay, so you see MC DDF data export, I thought. So no, so here it is not the one. So sometimes also Peter tells me that he goes to, let me pull the famous profile, because yeah, I don't see anything. No, forgot it. No, found it. Yeah, I think because I'm not there, PWD. Because I'm
Okay.
already
So,
in a garden.
no, you are in the container, so myprofile.hpux will work.
Okay. Okay.
myprofile.hpux.
UX. That's PUX. Yeah, that's the one that's gonna work. That's
Yeah.
great. Thank you. And L. So sometimes when we go as to this one, support, there is another folder that is called ZPWC support. I think that's done. I put it there. No, this is a temp. Okay, no, it's not there. I know PWC support is CSC support. Okay, let's see CSC support. What is there? No found. What I did wrong.
Oh, you are in PWC support. Go back.
Ah, that's why. CD PWC support. Okay, a backup. I don't think anything from this year. Everything was from last year. Not even 2019, 2000. Okay. Okay. I think last year we put it on the. Yeah, I have it here for DTran. You use this one. That's why. But why I don't have the. You see, it's the initial. Let me try this one. Because I don't think I have that. Let me see CD. Why did I check the initialize? Incoming. No, this is different. This was to check. What was that? See? This is what I write on March.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So no. Okay. So if I see his notes, you see, you check what it was down there before or not. So We have to check cat data, design before incoming 825. Why he want me to check that there?
He went to the DTINTR.
Yes, and why we have to go there? Because he wanted to choose something here, and I don't remember why we did it.
DTINI, DTINITR.
Okay, because that is when he locates the files. Aha.
Mm-hmm.
I think everything. Oh, I know what. Cat. Because if he put the, and I remember now what he told me, you have to do this because if he have to go to CD, he did this. Because he told me if he put already the files there. Oh, I'm already, okay, no, it's okay. Should say cat. I don't know if it's, is cat data? I think I make a misspelling here. It must be cat and data like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's like that.
But this seems like a path.
I think it's, oh, okay, but I already did in cat data.
Yeah.
Okay, better. Let's LTR. What is the last thing? You see October 2021. So no, he didn't put it there.
Yes.
You see, I don't have it there. Okay, perfect. So how was it at the end? What is the, what's the command I use at the end? Is this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is this?
If you press CD, you will come back to ITAR homepage, home
Yeah,
directory.
but I wanted to go and put this here because I think
Oh,
I
sorry.
stopped my notes. Okay, perfect. So here is a Martin Brown folders about, just create a folder in Jpats PC. Okay, and move the files in WinCC, If not, I have to come back and do all the steps that I have to do here, which is to go to DTRAN.
Okay.
Okay, so where I am, let's check. I'm gonna come back CD. So I am in home ORCA ITAR idea. So I am in the right place. Let's go LSLTR. I should see all the folders for that. Okay, so I'm in the right place. Then he told me you have to connect to SFTP server. So you have been done this, right? Because this is DTRAN.
Oh yes. He showed me in one of the case he was working on.
Exactly. So then here we have to go to region. So it must be a folder because that's the tricky part of here. Now we are knowing Unix.
Yeah.
We add in SFTP. So we have to be careful with the commands we use because they are not the same that units.
Yes.
I can use cd anyway to pwc iterd.
Right. Yeah.
So then here they should be the folders. Okay, I do entered, and to see there is ls minus l, no lltr. And I can see that there. They were put it yesterday there.
Mhm.
Okay. So we need to move it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do CD and I'm gonna export the logs. And that's the part I probably have a problem because I'm not sure if I create this folder first. Because I should create it on the and that's the part is tricky for me. Because I remembered first you need to move it, you need to get the get. Okay?
Oh yes. Yeah.
Is the get. Is
Yeah.
not moved like in Unix. But
Mhm.
also I need to get CD. So he went to CD to one of the folders. You see, I need to get the folder because I don't have the folder, right? I need to create it first.
Yeah.
In home ITER ITM. So if I do, that is PWD. If I do L, it will show me where I am on Unix. On Unix, we're gonna create. Did we create it locally in ITER IDM? That's what I don't remember. Working directory, CD,
If you write help, it will give you all the list of commands which we can use in SFTP.
But I just don't remember it. Okay, it was there. Because if I do, let me exit for a minute. I know, I think it's quit. For this one, it's quit. I would enter after. What? It doesn't like quit. I'm pretty sure it was quit. Oh, because I put a dot. Oh my God, quit. I just, before to do anything, I think, yeah, that's why. He created inside the folder IMAS report. But this is a zip file. Because this is the report. Oh, temporas from restaurant. Let me see what is there. No, that's not the one. Because you see, if I go in my notes, but I don't remember. I know that. But you see, export from textrant. He goes to CPT. Yeah, no, that's different. This ones I am in the PC. But when I am here, what that he's put it. He put it in Jpats 10 EMAS report. Yeah, he put it in Jpats EMAS report. Did I understand in this corrected?
Yeah, it seemed like he created a new folder and then changed the permissions and
Yeah,
copied data.
that's what I wanted to be sure I'm doing it in the right folder because otherwise export logs. No, not the export logs because that was when we got the export logs. So let me get because we have hold on. I'm checking my notes. So I want to be sure that I move it reported steps. You see, we have a lot of documentation, a lot of stuff I have to do. It's that, what is this bird? That, check it that. Export files from the location image report. Yeah, I know that export files. Steps, no, 9. I just want to see what is ITAR ITM folder. And I think, you see, this part was never documented. I don't think we document that. Because Peter put it in a place and then we just go and take it. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why we never really documented where we have to put it. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. View execute files. Just want to be sure. No, not here. Because last time when I did this, That was the last notes I took from Peter. See, that's the last notes I took for Peter.
Mm-hmm.
So I put it here. If new files not related to report, create a new directory to move that inside. You see, that is what it is. So yes, I have to put it in Jpats image report. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna put it there. Jpats 10 image report. Okay, so that's the right place. Okay, good. So it's Jpats image report. Okay, so now we know it has to be moved there, right? And we're gonna move it as yeah. So we're gonna move it there. We're gonna go the cd and then we're gonna start over again.
SFTP.
As FTP server. So we're gonna go to the FTP server. Wait. I should be in that folder though. I should not get out of that folder because otherwise it's gonna be
Oh
copied
yeah,
directly here.
right.
I
Right.
have to be in this folder.
PLC support.
Temp to test. No, wait. What it was the report? 10 EMAS report. 10 EMAS report. It's EMAS report that I need to go.
Oh yeah.
This guy that I need to go. Yeah, that's good. Exactly. From there, once I'm located there, then I go to FTP. Huh. Oh, my notes are not that bad. Easy, Rayton. Yeah, I had to go there. That's why there was something that it was nowhere down here. So let's start cleaning this. So I'm gonna give it to you because these ones are more clean. These are the clean ones up to here. In another, oh, we're gonna up to that. So to move. So now it's clean. So yeah, it was like that. Put to here, go to there, get there, neck or enter, like it's okay, perfect. Okay, now I'm here. I'm gonna go to PWC iThird. Now I should see what he sent me, which is this one. Perfect.
Right.
And then the problem with this is that you see our zip files, and to move it, you need to move one by one.
Okay.
And if I am not wrong, you have to move with get.
Size is also pretty big. It
Ah.
seems 7 GB something.
I think it's get help like this, right? To know what it does.
No, just write help.
Because I think to move it, if I'm
Yeah,
not
download file
get,
is yeah, right.
get is download the file.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think I have to do it one by one. Now that I remember. Yeah. So I have to get this to move it here, to move it there. So since I in that location, if I do LPWD, I am in that location. I
Yeah.
just need to do gate. I have to do it like this, I think. Export like that.
Mm-hmm.
I got to come here. I have to go there. And I just have to go that because it will give me that.
Right.
Fetching. What?
It's going to PWC IDAR. Dot is, I think, home directory.
Okay, so what happened? Oh, fetching. So it's doing it or what? I think it's doing it, no?
Yeah, it's doing, but I'm just confused with the destination path where the files are going. Okay, it's copying from to PWC. Oh, right.
It's fetching there,
Yes, right.
going to here, right?
Yes, the local working directory. Right.
No, but the local, oh, no, no, it's bad. How you quit this thing? How you exit?
Just try
No,
Control C.
quit. Oh my God. Control C. No, it's not Control C. Oh yeah, interrupted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I make a mistake. I'm pretty sure I make a mistake because I can see that now. It was going directly to ITER, which is not good. Oh, I am already there. You see? It was doing something weird, no? Let me see if the files are the same. You
Yeah.
see, it was creating the zip.
Zip is already there. So there are Z123 and then zip file.
Okay, nothing changed, right?
And nothing changed.
Okay. And
Uh,
let me see if I do LSS option path. There is a way to do ls. Okay, yes, like this. Done. Ls LT. Okay, give it. Oh, actually, it was copying it.
yes.
It was
It was
copying it.
going into the same folder.
So it was doing it right. It was doing it right.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. So it was good. It was good. It was good. It
Yeah.
was good. So,
You can remove
uh,
one and start again.
the problem is that I'm not sure if I can do because if I don't do it right in the right place, in theory, if I do every M,
Mm-hmm.
I should remove it in this place. You know what I mean? You know
Oh,
what? I won't risk it. You never
actually, it
know.
seems like it downloaded the full file because you see the path is all like the size is almost same.
Hmm. No, no, it was doing it right. I should have leave it go. I should have let it go. It was doing it good. I interrupted, but it was good. Let me just go here. I one I and actually Peter this does too. Peter used to copy two windows, one to do this and the other one to do the other part. So I should do the same though. So like that, if you face these things, you can just go here and change whatever you have to change. Perfect. Then PM, QSH, like that. Since I am already there, we're gonna use the famous this one because I need it run. Copy. Except that I should use mine, but okay, let's use hers. No problem. I'm going to give me that. Okay, CD, we're gonna go here. Copy. And then LSLT art, CD, you see, is there. And you say it's the same, right?
Oh yeah, it is same.
I have 73,000. So you finished to move it?
Yeah, because there also you see
Yeah.
100% downloaded, and after that we interrupted.
Oh, okay.
Size is also same.
Yeah, but I don't. Okay, I don't want to risk it. Let's remove it. And put
Okay.
it again. Yeah, because if something goes wrong,
Mm-hmm.
I seriously, if the data get exported badly, I just oh it doesn't let me. Oh yeah, I know why.
RM minus
Because it's separate.
minus.
So you
Yeah.
need to get the know what it is. Because the name is with a space. You notice that? You
Mm-hmm.
need to be
Oh.
careful because oh, it doesn't work. So now it's okay. Now it's deleted. Okay, perfect. So let's go back here. And it seems that what I was doing, it was good.
Yes.
So we're gonna do it again. So we're gonna go, I just gonna be sure that I am in the right one, right? Let's be sure. WD. Yes, I am in the right one. So let's do get up to here. Go, copy this way. It's a big file, so we have to wait.
Yeah.
So this is the first thing. So what I would do is I would start put you in the emails, okay? With that. So we receive the folders, we receive the files, we retrieve the files, we put it in the PC where we need to import data to the database. And then after to import the data in the database, then we'll start to do all the process to do the EMAS reports.
Okay.
Okay. Currently, we have only one production in Windows 7. And then we have Windows 10. Windows 10 has more capability. So we are waiting that Windows 10, we have everything. So we have to wait, okay?
Mm.
Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna go get the next one. So we did the one. Gonna do the two. So what happened is you need to check the space in the PC to be able to be sure these files that are really big can be put it in Jpats so we can move it. So what I do sometimes is we keep a copy of the previous one, we move with that, and we have to play with everything. So
Okay.
kind of with the space. So I involve a lot of Sync and Mildred
Mm-hmm.
because they are the specialists on Windows. So
Okay.
when I have issues with the machine, I tell them, can you help me to get more space? Or
Oh.
if it's the folder of Jpats, yeah, we need to go there and check what is inside and look at it. Okay. This is by my support. And you know what? I have a meeting soon, but I gonna finish to do this. So this is something that actually you can do is to retrieve those files when I got them. I can
Oh.
actually, if you annoy the mail, I can just ping you and say, oh, we got the files. Can you please pick them up and
Oh.
put it
Yeah.
there? So then I know, and then I can pick it up after. But I
Mm.
can also show you the whole process.
Mm. Okay.
Not very yeah, not gonna. Okay. No, it doesn't let me to delete nothing. Oh, it let me to delete. Okay. Okay. Export logs, December, da 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 da. Okay, seems to grab the thing and don't give me error. You see? It say it didn't find it. Yeah.
Oh,
Like put
because of space? No,
because of the space. It
yeah.
did like that I put the space and I tried to delete it, but it didn't recognize it. So I don't find that. Oh, and I missed the 3. That's why I missed the number 3. So that's what I had to do. So I have to move all the files, and then after moving all the files, I have to retrieve it then in the machine what I have. And then, but the important is to move it out from Dtrand, right? Because if I don't move it out from Dtrand, then I don't uh it's gonna be deleted in 3 or 4 days.
Okay. Yeah. So, like within 3 days, we need to get the files.
Exactly.
But if some by chance, like we could not copy in that time, so can we ask them to put it again?
Yes, yes, we can ask them to put it out.
Okay.
Yes, that's correct. Oh, that's correct. No, the preference was can again to
Yeah.
put it, but it happened again, and they understand, and they understand, and
Oh,
the client is really nice. The tester is really nice client of Pratt.
okay.
I have been working with them for a while, and they're really really nice. So don't worry. It's just all of, as I mentioned, all of these was done by Peter before. And then Peter to start showing me because he was busy with other projects. And then that's what I got involved. And then he got pulled after another project. So then that's why. Because before when I start with Jpats, what happened? He was doing the upgrade for the boxes for the, I think it was in now, yeah, PM and E for the new boxes for MC posting.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm
Oh.
not sure if he showed you MC posting though, but MC posting used some boxes from Unix,
Mm-hmm.
and he helped to do that implementation.
We had one session. Rashid was going to make a change in NC posting. There, I saw.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now you know. So that's the see?
Okay,
Okay,
we have
we
all.
are there. So perfect. So we got everything. We got all the folders. So what I can do is send a screenshot to have it. But at least we know that we retrieve the folders. Everybody knows that we retrieve the folders. But
Mm-hmm.
right here. This is not necessary,
Mm-hmm.
but I just put it so they know because of that.
We got the files. Yeah.
I'm not gonna put you. This is Glenn, Michael, Peter, and I'm gonna start in volume and see. And me, I like to LeBlanc Mark. I don't know him. He's from Pratt, but I
Yeah.
like to put him there because he also work on that. So
Mm.
I just wanted to. Okay. I'm gonna just say that. Perfect. So I just say that we retrieve it. Okay. Glenn, Michael notes, Peter know, you know, and Mark notes that we put it here.
Mm-hmm.
They know. I'm not sure if we can send this information. Everybody. I'm gonna put it. Can I just put it like that? Or do we have to do this or not? I don't know. No, let's leave it like that. We ask Peter. You see, when it comes to emails and stuff, I'm kind of worried because it's a little bit political too. Right? You have to be careful what you say
Yeah.
because it's directly with the clients. I'm not sure what can I and I cannot. Sometimes I prefer to ask. Okay, perfect. But that's done. That's good. So we did this part, okay, on that. So we did all this part, okay. So
Okay.
this part is completed, okay, the process
Mhm.
to get the files. This part is completed. Now, what we need to do is the second part. The second part it's here, which is this part,
Okay.
okay, which is to check the name of AE and copy in the comment below on the name of the group as appeared previously. Okay, so the thing it's okay, right? Because we have that, right? We have that group AA26. Okay, so that is all right. The only thing is right now I won't be able to change those files. I need to change the permissions. Otherwise, I won't be able to retrieve it myself.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah.
So what I have to do is I have to go to do this. I have to jump Jpats the months. I have to go one file below, right? And change those permissions. Copy, and I'm gonna change this one here. And it should be changed now. If I go ls card and I see this, you see now I have this one, but I need to have a 026, which I have it, and you think you have it too. I have to check. Copy the files into your image report. Gmod to Jpats to change the permissions they were before. Okay, so then we have to retrieve that and then you change it back as it was before. Okay. So now we're gonna do the 20th. See, but I gonna put a note here. To be honest, I'm gonna take a pause because I didn't eat and I have a meeting in 2 minutes. But now what we're gonna do, so we changed this, right?
Okay.
So now we should be able to use WinSP and move the files to the location they have to be for Windows 7. Now, we are going to do, this time we are going to do two ones. Okay, we're going to do two things. We're going to do Windows 7 and we're going to do Windows 10. Okay, right now, I think Mary was working in one of those. So we have to, let me check something. Because I was working on something. Let me check. I'm not sure if Mary finished to work on one of the PCs. As I tell you, since we are doing now work, we are trying to deliver this project. Okay, now we are done with the project. So
Okay.
it's supposed to be okay. Now we're supposed to finish. So that's what I wanted to see here. 3557. But we have issues. I just have one database and I'm getting worried that my database is going to be crashed. So that's why I need to have you see, this one is there and it has a lot of space.
Cannot see your screen.
Yes, 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 yes. Sorry, sorry. I stopped it just because I was not sure if I would be able to enter, but I entered. So this is a machine. I need to give you access to those machines, okay? So then what happened is here. You see, these machines I have a lot of space, right?
Yeah.
Because those folders are super big. I don't know if I think there is a way to see it on there is a way to see this. Uh, because this is in what? Megabytes?
Uh, it
There is a way
seems
to
to
see
me
it.
7 GB something.
Because I know it's free minus G. You can do that, but free minus H, human readable. No, here doesn't have that command.
That shows in ls minus ltrh if you do.
L
trh.
T R H.
H.
No,
Illegal option.
illegal option. H probably. No, let me Google it.
Try ls minus lh.
L minus LS
lh. H, yeah.
LH. No, I didn't like it.
It's not working.
Do I do like it?
You can check it through df command also. Df minus kh. Kh.
No, I didn't like it that. Like DF minus, oh, DF minus F.
Oh, but you are in container, so here df won't work. Here bdf will work.
It's BF, right?
bdf. B as in Bravo, df.
BDF
Yeah.
minus H, right?
Yes, right.
No.
Try only BDF.
Yeah, but it tells me the percentage on each one. Doesn't give me the
Yeah.
size of them. Me,
Mm.
to do a container. How do you do this? I know that is a command, but what is the command? Let's Google it. And then I leave you because I have a meeting at 1. No. TD core file sub. I don't know if I look in the thing the right way. And what I'm looking for is not right. See the file size. Command line. Okay, command line. Let's see. PBX command line. Let's just see what he says here. Ay, ay, ay.
Or maybe try DU minus SH.
Okay, wait. It's DU minus S.
SH.
Okay, so it's SL. Okay, that apparently it's SL minus LD. Okay, LS minus LD, and then you need to put the file. Okay, let's put the file. But I have to put it with com meters because it's no, it didn't show me what I wanted
Maybe
to
try
see.
LS minus LH and same thing.
LS minus LHD,
And file name.
the file name.
It's not an no,
Is
don't put
this?
D, just only put LS minus LH and then file name. Yeah.
Let's see what is it here. It doesn't like the H.
Okay.
I don't know why it doesn't like the H. It looks
Illegal
like
option, and this is the only way we can read.
okay. Let's see this one. DU minus SK. Oh, okay. So this is gigabytes. So it's 71 gigabytes? Not impossible. I know SK is not gigabytes. It's a block giving for kilobytes. This is kilobyte block unless minus K option is give by kilobytes. A block is 572 bytes, half a kilobyte. Traditionally, okay, no, that's not what I want. I don't want a kilobyte. Yes, you reduce it at what is that, but I don't want that. I want really my gigabyte. Give me my gigabyte. I want to know in gigabytes. So wait, if KS is SK is kilobyte, DUSG should be gigabytes, no? Unless here you cannot do that. But anyway, I think I can know the space once I'm up downloaded. So let's go here. See? WinSP. Let's start moving in at least here. So host name, we have to go, so then I have to go back on my, okay, I have to go back to my, okay, so you are putting here, okay. So then I have to come back to my notes. I have, image import, export from Textrand. See, this I don't think we created yet. So we have to go here, Control C. This is what I want to connect. I can connect as myself. Yeah, I think so. Okay. And then what happened is there is a way here that I can add a path. So you see, I don't want to go in there. I want to go to my path. So I
Mhm.
will go here and I'm going to go to here. So there. Okay, that's it. And it seems that I can just browse there because I already am. Okay, so then here I need to go to this is no, here I have to go to okay, CPTS and we need to go
It is 0.7 GB.
yeah, I had to create a new one file, a new directory that is gonna call image import. Because this is the first time we are doing here, so it doesn't exist yet. Okay. So then I have to go to a new directory. Gonna call export extra. Now here is a little bit different because what's gonna happen is that and I think I have another file. I know, that's it. Because I think it's there where we put everything. This is the logs. Okay, you know what? I need to take a pause.
Okay.
Then we check that. But it's here. Now we need to do that, and now we need to change the. We are here. We are in this part.
Oh, okay,
This
sure. Just now we give permission, then just drag and drop.
exactly. So we need to change those permissions. But what I would do is let's take a break because I have another meeting. I have to come.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. But we talk later. Okay.
Oh, okay, sure. So,
Okay.
just one doubt. Should I create the steps for this process?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yes. You
okay.
have it.
Okay.
Yes. I gonna send you this file then. Okay. I'm
Oh,
gonna
okay.
send you this file. Okay.
That's
Perfect. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.